Hello guys, welcome to best photo editing apps for iOS and Android. Let's get started.
If you're new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification because we are one of the very few channels that come up with regular tech tips and tricks and giveaways. Also follow our Instagram page for regular updates and Instagram giveaways.
The first one in our list is VSCO. So VSCO is available on both iOS and Android. It's a free app. It's just like Instagram. VSCO combines a camera, editing tools, and an online community. But it's all about filters. That's what makes VSCO stand apart. This free photo app provides a lot of stunning filters that make your app photos look like they were taken on an analog film camera. These soft and subtle filters add a touch of class to your photos compared to many heavily filtered Instagram presets. Of course, the app also has the standard editing tools like adjustments, cropping, borders, and vignettes. You can also use VSCO to adjust the exposure, contrast, temperature, or skin tones. Once you're done editing your photo, you can share it with your VSCO's community or to another social media, just like Instagram. Our second one on the list is Prisma. We know that most filters turn photos into drawings or paintings, but Prisma is an exception. This free photo editing app uses artificial neural networks, which enable users to make photos appear like they were painted by Picasso or some great artist. Give it a go, you might be surprised by how much you like it. You can pay to access additional filters, but there's a generous set provided free of charge. Prisma also has its own online community similar to Instagram's. So once you're done editing, you can share your image to your Prisma feed, save it directly to your device, share it on any social media app, or send it via email or messaging. The next one in our list is Adobe Photoshop Express, which is again available on both iOS and Android, free cost. Adobe Photoshop Express takes many of the Photoshop's best photo editing tools and squeezes them into a mobile app. And despite providing plenty of advanced features, this free photo editing app is easy to use on a small touchscreen. Just upload a photo from your device, take a new one with a camera, or use an image from your Adobe Creative Cloud account, and then get to editing your work. But however, there is a small thing that you need to keep in mind. Before you can use Adobe Photoshop Express, you'll need to sign up for a free Adobe ID account. Once you're finished with it, you can edit your photo, save it directly onto your device, or share it to other marketing and social media apps. The next one on our list is Google Snapseed. Google Snapseed packs a punch and puts desktop photo editors to shame with its huge range of features and an amazing interface. Just like you had expected, this free photo editing app comes with a range of preset filters. However, unlike most apps, you can edit these filters and even create your own from scratch. It also has all of the classic tools such as cropping, straightening, frames, text, vignettes, etc. And the sharpening feature does the job without making the image look grainy. Then, that's when things get interesting. Snapseed has precision masking, which allows you to edit the depth of field. There's also a selective edges tool. This helps you select a specific area of a photo and adjust the saturation, contrast, and brightness of that single photo. What's more, the photo editor app saves your edit history, so you can amend your previous edits at any point. Our next app on the list is called Foodie, which might be a bit surprising. So Foodie is available on both iOS and Android, and it's a free app. Everyone has been guilty of taking pictures of their food at some point. So Foodie does exactly what it does best with food items. So we are actually using a cloud image as of now, but Foodie works best for the people who takes a lot of food pictures. Foodie embraces this impulse and helps you take your food photos to an entirely new level. The editor is somewhat similar to Instagram's, except that all of the 30 filters and editing features are set up with food in mind. Plus, it helps you line up the perfect bird's eye shot and makes the colors pop. If you take pictures of food, you need this free photo editing app, and that's the truth. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned in until next time. Stay safe.